Welcome to this lecture on decision making. I'm thrilled to be here today to share my thoughts on this topic. Now, when it comes to decision making, there are a lot of different approaches and strategies that you can take. Some people rely on intuition and gut instincts, while others prefer to analyze data and weigh the pros and cons of each option. Both approaches can be practical in different situations, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. However, there are certain principles that successful decision makers follow. These principles guide you through making critical choices, whether running a business, pursuing a personal goal, or simply trying to navigate your daily life. One of the fundamental principles that I have found essential in decision-making is the ability to think long-term. Focusing solely on short-term gains and immediate rewards can be tempting, but in the long run, these decisions often prove to be short-sighted and ultimately unproductive. When deciding, it's essential to consider how it will impact you and others and weigh the potential risks and benefits accordingly. Another essential principle is to embrace failure as a natural part of the decision-making process. Nobody gets it right every time. Even the most successful individuals and organizations experience setbacks and failures. Rather than viewing failure as a roadblock or a sign of weakness, seeing it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve is essential. By embracing failure and using it as a learning opportunity, you can develop resilience, flexibility, and a willingness to take calculated risks. A third principle critical to effective decision-making is communicating and collaborating with others. No matter how skilled or knowledgeable you are, you can only make some decisions independently. You need to be able to listen to and respect the opinions of others, solicit feedback and input, and work together to find solutions that benefit everyone involved. Such decision-making requires strong communication skills, an open-minded attitude, and a willingness to be flexible and adaptable. Of course, many other factors can influence decision-making, such as the ability to manage uncertainty, the importance of setting clear goals and priorities, and the need to be aware of biases and cognitive errors that can cloud your judgment. However, I believe that these three principles, thinking long-term, embracing failure, and collaborating with others, are particularly crucial and can serve as a foundation for effective decision-making in various contexts. Many may wonder how to apply these principles in their lives and careers. To help illustrate some of the key ideas I've discussed today, I'd like to share something from my experiences as an entrepreneur and business leader. I had to fight against powerful competitors, navigate complex legal and financial issues, and constantly adapt to new technologies and market trends. But through it all, I remained focused on my long-term goals and values, and I never lost sight of the fact that I was building something genuinely transformative.